Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Market Voice. Trading, based on my so many years of experience, has been all about three major aspects. The first and foremost is all about anticipation. We need to first anticipate what could the market do. Not that we are right all the time, but at least to begin with, we need to have some kind of a premises, some kind of a anticipation how the day might pan out, or how the week might pan out, or how the month might pan out. So that is the first basic aspect of trading's requirement. The second one is preparation. Once we anticipate whether the market will go up or down, then we need to prepare ourselves on the overall how we want to trade. In the preparation aspects, we have to decide on which strike price, if we are in options, which strike price we will trade, at what price we will enter, at what price will be our stop loss, will we have any targets, if targets are there, then what is the target that we will wait for. So all of those things will come as part of your preparation. One, you need to anticipate whether the market will be on the higher side or on the lower side. Two, once you decide okay market will go up, then you will have to decide on at what rate you will enter, and if you enter at that particular rate, if the market fails or goes against you, then where will be your stop loss. Then if it goes in your favor, how long you will wait based on the time based stop loss or hard stop loss, or you will wait for the targets, and what is the quantity that you will trade. So these are all comes as part of your preparation aspects. The third and most important is, once you anticipate, once you prepare and you are ready for it, then you have to do the timely execution. Many a times we have noticed when it comes to execution, we freeze or we do not pull the trigger or put the accelerator button on. So this is very important that we do the execution well. In the sense, execution is actually a craft. Many people, they will be good in analysis, they will be good in modeling, preparing the risk management models and other things, but when it comes to the execution, it becomes difficult for them to do the live execution and do some good trades. In fact, many of the coaches, they have this problem. They know about the field, they are expert in that field, but they themselves fail to do the execution of those things. For example, a cricket coach, he is a good coach, he is good in observing the field, observing the players, observing what is that a player is good at or weak at, and then make him the corrections, but he himself cannot go on the field and do those magic on the field. So that is where the coaches, they have the ability to observe, ability to analyze, but little less ability in terms of execution. Very few people we see who's good at playing will eventually become a coach, or who has started off as a coach will eventually come on the field and become a good player. So execution is very, very important. These three aspects, anticipation, preparation, and then execution, these three have to be well blended for you to take up any trade successfully. At least over a period of time, if you blend these three things well, definitely over a period of time you will get lot of things right, and once your anticipation abilities improve, once your preparation skills improves, and once the execution craft improves, definitely you will win in the game in the long run. Today's aspect is also about execution. In one of the treaties, war treaties written by SunTzu in his book The Art of War, very beautiful book, very small and concise book with about 13 chapters, but so much of wisdom from this about the battlefield, which we can map it to our trading activities also. In the 6th chapter, he talks of whoever is the first in the field and awaits the coming of the enemy will be fresh for the fight. Whoever is second in the field and has to hasten to battle will arrive exhausted. Here he is talking of preparation and anticipation. Whoever is first in the field and who's waiting for the enemy to arrive, he's already prepared. He knows, he's expecting the enemy, so he is well prepared enough beforehand. Even before the enemy arrives, he is well prepared, so he stands more chance of winning the battle compared to the one who rushes into the battlefield. When you are rushing in, you end up making few mistakes. The same thing applies even in our trading activities also, wherein we need to anticipate what the trade that might come in, and we need to be prepared, well prepared enough for us to face the battle as and when it comes. So here we are talking of anticipation and preparation. Be well prepared and do not surprise yourself while in the market, so that suddenly market is going up and you have change in mind. When you do this dilly-dallying, then you will not be able to execute well, which will again pull you down in terms of efficiency and productivity. So it is important, as said in the Art of War book also, whoever is the first in the field and awaits the coming of the enemy will be fresh for the fight. This is very important, how much you are prepared for the battle for that particular day. On any given day, the market opens at 9:15 only and not before that. There is no uncertainty in that, and market every day closes at 3:30. These are all the given parameters. We already know, market opens at 9:15 and we already have certain data behind today's opening, which you need to analyze beforehand. Supposing if you are an intraday trader, then you may have to analyze at least past 10 days of data and come into some kind of conclusion. Yes, market might go up or might go down, and then prepare yourself even before the market opens accordingly, and then wait for those setups to manifest. If those setups manifest, then you go ahead and take the trade in that direction. So this kind of anticipation, preparation is very, very important even in our trading activities also. So with that, we will conclude today's session. We will meet up tomorrow once again with one more topic. Until then, Om Swasti.